Hey y'all, it's your girl Gianna and we back at it again with another video. So today I will be showing you guys how to take down these knotless braids. This is a follow-up video from my previous video on how to do them. So I pretty much kept these in for about a week and yeah, it's ready for them to come out. So if you want to see how this looks when I take them out, then keep watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you can be notified for the next video. Here it is. How did I survive a week and a half with this style? Let me tell y'all. So I had to oil my scalp like all the time because when my scalp was itching, I'm like, I don't know what to do. So I oiled it, and then I also put some leave-in conditioner. My leave-in conditioner is kind of minty, so I use that to refresh my hair because it was just itching so bad. I also did different styles, like this right here. I left 2 pieces of hair in the front, and then I put the back in a bun. And I also did like a little half up, half down style, and it was cute. I will also insert some videos so y'all can see those. Okay y'all, so I actually had these braids in since June 11th and it is now the 22nd, so that's basically like a week and a half. Can y'all believe it? I can't, because one of these days my head was itching so bad and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm ready to take these out. And something told me to not take them out. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna really see how long I can go without taking them out. And now I just think I need to take them out because I'm tired of them. I need to wash my hair. So yeah, I'm about to take these down. Y'all can watch me. I'm gonna do a time lapse so that this video is not too long. All right, bye. Okay, y'all, I am done. Well, actually, I'm not really done because I still got these 2 in the front, and I do want to pick it out so that it could be a little more volume and body to it. But yeah, look, you can see my color. Like, I am in love. Oh my gosh, yes. But I'm going to take these 2 out, and then I will be back. So, period. Okay y'all, because it came out so cute. Like, I am in love. Like, look at that definition. And look at my color coming through. Period. Get on it, sis. If you're not doing individual braids out, what are you doing? You need to do this. Not that. I don't know what you're doing. But this. Get into it. This is so cute. Like, period. Yes. Man. Thanks for watching, y'all. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can be notified for the next video. Period.